Hello YouTube and welcome to Heathen Hacks. Recently, I noticed some flickering issue on my DIY iCUE controlled bias lighting that I have installed almost a year ago. Click right here to check it out, by the way. I knew right away that it was due to a bad connection on the circuit because my wiring setup back then was really janky. So, let's try and fix that today. Let's go! Let's take a closer look. Right here, I have removed it from the back of my two monitors, and as you can see, the other strip is not lighting up at all. However, after pressing on the power and signal pins of the first LED strip, it lit up right away. That's a telltale sign of a bad connection. There's a high possibility that one of the power pins got messed up when I was cleaning. Still not sure though, so we need to investigate further. Check out my review of this wireless vertical mouse right here if you want. The plan is to remove the hot glue blobs, the solder, and then replace my DIY LED connectors with these proper ones right here. Same as the wires that are already connected to the LED strips when I bought it, it has red and white colored cables or wires for the 5 volts and ground, and green for data. Not only that, the connectors can also only be plugged in one way. In my opinion, that right there can be called a passive reverse polarity protection. It won't destroy the circuit per se, I mean for this particular strip at least, but it's good that it has that feature. Okay, now it's time to take the blobs off. It looks like this is going to take some time, so I'm going to be back later. Alright, soldering iron's all heated up now. Let's wear some protection first. Since I am in an enclosed space and I feel weird when I accidentally inhale even a tiny bit of it, I'm going to wear a mask. According to 3M, this would be enough. Well, yeah, that's not good. I need to replace the whole strip now. Good thing I still have plenty of spare. Just going to cut a bit of it because it's too long. Here we go then, time for some soldering. Let's add a bit more, cut off the excess, and we're done. To test it, I'm going to connect it to the other strip. Perfect! Now let's proceed on changing the connectors on the other one, after taking off the hot glue blobs and desoldering, of course. As you can see here, I think this might be the cause of the flickering. The soldering pads has been bent too much. Has? Should it be had? The soldering pads was bent too much. Maybe that's why when I pressed it earlier, the other strip suddenly worked. Yeah, we're going to need to replace this strip with a new one as well. Let's desolder these first though. And since this strip is going to have 2 leads each on the power supply side of its solder pads, it needs a bigger surface to accommodate them. Let's start soldering again. Do a test. Solder the connectors for the other strip. Do a test again. And that's it. We're basically done. Oh, by the way, back on my DIY iCUE controlled bias lighting video, I have added a DC barrel jack that I can connect to a 5V 3A DC power supply for added juice, right? Well, I have also replaced that with this one. This is a 5V USB-A to DC jack that is connected to an inline power switch. That way, with just a flick of a switch, the LED strip would get extra current without needing to plug in the power supply. I have also added some ferrules to it to make the connections more secure. For the power supply, this is going to be connected to my Bavin 5.4 amps power strip. Click right here to check it out if you want. That's it really. Just a super easy fix. Forgot to record an outro for this, so here's a video of my dog instead. Thanks for watching and see you again next week. Maybe.